Hello everyone and welcome back again. Dear friends, hope you are all doing well. So far we have discussed the varieties of problems from the model question paper first for the mathematics subject EEE Stream. Okay, subject code is BMATE301. So today I will discuss model 2 question number 4a. Fit a second degree parabola of the form a plus bx plus cx square to the following data. In the previous video we have discussed the straight line problem. This is the parabola problem. Okay, if you have not yet watched the previous videos, you can go through the description box. I have provided the link over there. So this is the data given, and for the second degree parabola there are some formulas which are available in your handbook. Okay, so first of all, while writing the solutions, you should write let the curve to be fitted is y is equal to this one, which is given a plus bx plus cx square. Okay, this is the first equation where these a, b and c are constants which we are supposed to calculate in this particular problem. Okay, and the normal equations of the curve is given as, no need to remember these formulas, these are available in your handbook. Okay, summation of y is equal to na plus b summation of x plus c summation of x square, and for xy summation of xy is equal to a summation of x plus b summation of x square plus c summation of x cube, and summation of x square y is equal to a summation of x square plus b summation of x cube plus c summation of x raised power 4. These are simple to remember also. See here, this is na, b summation of x, c summation of x square. Here you have to add a summation of x, and here b summation of x square. Here c summation of x square is there, so c summation of x cube, c summation of x raised power 4, b summation of x square, b summation of x cube, a summation of x square. So increasing order, you have to write down these equations. Okay, now what we have to calculate in this? See here, summation of y we need. When you sum up y terms, you will get summation of y, right? And we need summation of x, means when you sum up the x terms, you will get summation of x. When you do square of the x, you will get summation of x square. So that you have to form a table over here: x y x y x square y x cube x raised power 4. These all terms we need. We need summation of these particular terms over here. Okay, so that I am just writing here the table. Now first of all, we will calculate the summation of xy, means x into y. X into y, 1 into 0 is 0, 1.8 into 1 is 1.8, 1.3 into 2 is 2.9, I think so. 1.3 into 2, which is equal to 2.6, sorry, 2.6. Then 2.5 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 7.5. Okay, then 2.3 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 9.2. This is the xy term. Now x square means you have to do the square of x term. 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, right? Now x square into y means this x square multiplied by this one. 0 into 1 is 0, 1.8 into 1 is 1.8, 4 into 1.3, which is equal to 5.2. Okay, then 9 into 2.5, 9 into 2.5, which is equal to 22.5. Okay, then 2.3 into 16, 2.3 into 16, which is equal to 36.8. I hope you are following this one. Okay, this is x square into y. We are getting this one. Now x cube. So x is here, you have to cube it. 0 cube is 0, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 3 cube is, so 3 shift cube, which is equal to 27. Then 4 cube is 64 almost, so 4 cube, which is equal to 64. Okay, then x raised power 4. So 0 raised power 4 is 0, 1 raised power 4 is 1, 2 raised power 4 is 2 raised power 4, which is equal to 16. Okay, 3 raised power 4, which is equal to 81. Then 4 raised power 4, so 4 raised power 4, which is equal to 256. Now you have to do the summation of all the terms which we need in the formula. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 10. Summation of x is equal to 10. Okay, summation of y is equal to, so let me do the sum over here: 2.3 plus 2, sorry, 2.5 plus 1.3 plus 1.8 plus 1, which is equal to 8.9. So this is summation of y. Summation of xy I need to calculate. Okay, make a box for it so that it will become easy for you to recognize the values. Okay, So 1.8 plus 2.6 plus 7.5 plus 9.2, which is equal to 21.1, which is equal to 21.1. So this is your summation of xy. Now summation of x square I need. Okay, so I can write here summation of x square is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 plus 4 is 29, 30. So 30 I am getting. Now summation of x square y, which is equal to, I can write 36.8 plus 22.5 plus 5.2 plus 1.8, which is equal to 66.3. Okay, this is your summation of x square y. Now summation of x cube, which is equal to 64 plus 27 plus 8 plus 1, which is equal to 100. Okay, then summation of x raised power 4, which is equal to 1 plus 16 plus 81 plus 256, which is equal to 354. Okay, so all values we have calculated. Now the thing is, you need to put down these values in these particular equations. So let me put accordingly over here. Okay, so first I will take this equation. What is the summation of y value? See here, 8.9. So I can write 8.9 is equal to n. What is the n value? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 times a plus b, it is not given. So summation of x we have calculated, that is 10. So 10 times b plus summation of x square value. Summation of x square is 30. So 30 times c. This is your second equation. Now third equation, summation of xy, what is the value? 21.1, 21.1. Okay, is equal to summation of x value is 10. So 10 times a plus summation of x square value is 30. So 30 times b plus summation of x cube. X cube value is 100. So 100 times c, right? Then next, summation of x square y. So x square y is here. So summation is 66.3, 66.3, which is equal to a summation of x square is 30. So 30 times a plus, next is x cube, summation of x cube is 100. So 100 times b plus summation of x raised power 4 is here 354. So 354 times c. These are the three equations now by which you can calculate these a, b and c values. So let me calculate in the calc over here. So go through the menu, alpha times a, you will get Simon equation. So how many unknowns are there? A, b, c. So three unknowns are there. So I can type 3 over here. Okay, write down the values accordingly. First coefficient 5 is equal to 10 is equal to, next is 30 is equal to, next is 8.9. Okay, so 8.9 is equal to, next 10 is the quotient is equal to 30 is equal to 100 is equal to 21.1. Okay, next 30 is equal to 100 is equal to this 354 is equal to this 66.3, which is equal to 1.07. So a value is, a is equal to 1.077. Next b value is 0.415. Okay, next value is z, sorry, here is c. So c value is minus 0.02. These are the values. Now put down these a, b, c value in the given curve over here. Okay, y is equal to a value is here we have calculated 1.077. Okay, then plus b times x. So b value is 0.415 times x. Okay, next is c value. C value is minus 0.2, minus 0.02 times x square. So this is your curve to be fitted in this particular type of data which is given. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. Thank you so much.